Kindly repeat after me.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I repeat the thought. The secret of your success is determined by your hard work and strong focus on your goal. Thank you.
Morning to one and all, respected headmistress, assistant headmaster, teachers, and all my dear friends. On this last day of our school life, I would like to thank all my teachers for their constant support, guidance, and encouragement. In spite of the pandemic, you all have helped us by clearing our doubts from time to time and not left us on our own, rather supported us. We are truly blessed to have such wonderful teachers. Finally, I would like to finish by thanking all my teachers once more and wish all my classmates all the best. Thank you.
To bring joy and happiness to you with a melodious song.
गा के सुनाएंगे हम तो सात रंग है ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे हम तो सात रंग है ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे.
I now call teacher Suvida to kindly say few words.
Students, you all are the most precious gift of God. God has given you all innate abilities to prosper in your life. Always believe in your abilities. These abilities will take you all to the new height of success with your sheer dedication, hard work, and of course your confidence. On behalf of all the teachers, I wish you all the very best in your future endeavor. May God bless you all. Take care. Thank you.
A very good morning to the respected headmistress, assistant headmaster, teachers, and all my dear Almerians. Today, as we stand on the last day of our school and see the end of our school life, I would like to
Cheerful, happy, and gay, knowledge is gained in a playful way. Each student, the school cares and nurtures, molding us for our bright futures. From tiny tots to teenagers, our school has a history of achievers. Teachers are loving and dedicated to our excellence we owe to all of you. 110 years yet not out. Up to eternity, our school will last out, spreading the light of knowledge all throughout. Proud to be a part of the Almedian pool, AJDE Almeda is the name of my school. I also take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for all their constant guidance, support, and encouragement in spite of the pandemic. Thank you very much, all the teachers.
दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरी मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरी मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल में छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा.
Judy Almeida High School has always been my support and inspiration throughout these years of my school life. I am grateful to all my respected teachers for all their enormous guidance that they have offered to me and in fact all of us. This school gave me bounty of genuine and supportive friends. the school will always be in the best of my memories. And hence, a very big thank you to all of you from the depth of my heart.
नमस्कार. आज तुमचा शैक्षणिक वर्षातला शेवटचा दिवस म्हणजे तुम्ही फेअरवेल म्हणता. याविषयी तुम्ही अनेक विचार मनात आणलेले असतील की शाळेच्या शेवटच्या दिवशी आम्ही काय काय करायचं, कारण याच्यानंतर तुमची परीक्षा सुरू होणार आहे. पण एक लक्षात घ्या की आयुष्यातल्या कोणत्याही टप्प्यावर परीक्षा द्यावीच लागते, प्रश्नपत्रिका सोडवावी लागते. हे लक्षात घ्या. किती आधुनिक तंत्रज्ञानाचा तुम्ही वापर केला, संगणकाचा, मोबाईलचा वापर केला, तर त्याच्या आहारी जाऊ नका. कारण आता तुमच्याकडे वेळ कमी आहे. परीक्षेसाठी जो वेळ अभ्यासासाठी द्यायचा आहे तो त्याच गोष्टीसाठी द्या. मोबाईलच्या आहारी जाऊ नका. आणि प्रयत्नांती परमेश्वर हे लक्षात ठेवा. प्रयत्न केला तर सगळ्यांना यश मिळेल नक्कीच. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना मागच्या परीक्षेत मनाप्रमाणे गुण घेता आलेले नाही, त्यांनी एक संधी आहे. त्यांनी या वेळेचा सदुपयोग करून प्रयत्न करावेत. यश नक्कीच मिळेल. परीक्षेसाठी तुम्हा सर्वांना मनापासून शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, teachers and my dear students. Dear students, I am standing before you all today here with mixed feelings of sadness and happiness in my heart. I am sad because throughout your 9th standard and your 10th standard, mostly you couldn't attend physical classes, all because of one invisible enemy, COVID-19, which kept you homebound. And you missed all the fun that you would have in the school premises. You missed to play on the playground. You missed to have a chat during the intervals. You missed all the fun and frolic that childhood gives you. Childhood memories of 9th standard and 10th standard you couldn't create to treasure for lifetime. And then we couldn't organize today for you even the much awaited moment for standard 10 that every student eagerly waits for, that is your send-off, farewell. And dear students, there is a reason behind it for us not to organize this farewell for you. Not because we don't love you. All the teachers love you. We would have given you the send-off. But dear students, due to time constraints, this was not possible. Your preliminary examination got over along with your optional subjects on 22nd of March. And on 6th of April, you have to be ready for your examination, because those who are answering Maths Level 2, your first paper is on 7th of April. So if I count the days from 23rd of March to 6th of April, it came to only 15 days. And if I had to organize a farewell for you within this 15 days, another 3 days time, minimum 3 days time you would require to prepare a program for your farewell. From 15 days, if you take away 3 days, you would be left with only 12 days. And in these 12 days, if I divide by the number of papers that you have to answer, that is 6 papers, taking history, geography and social studies, if I divide 12 by 6, it comes to only 2 days of studies for per subject. Keeping all this in mind, so that it should not affect your studies, we cancel the farewell. I even said today not to carry your mobiles. There is a reason behind it, dear students, not to allow you to bring mobiles. We have seen nowadays misuse of mobile is done. In order to stop all this, I just thought of not to allow you to bring mobiles. And that's how I went from class to class yesterday and asked you, children, please don't get your mobiles. If you want to carry a photo of along with the teachers as memories, teachers have their mobiles. Do approach them, get a photo clicked along with you, and definitely the teachers will post that photo to you. Dear students, partying and other things will keep coming in our life. This is not the end. But the results that you get of 10th standard is very important, because 10th standard is an important stage in your life. The first mark list that you are going to produce whenever you go for some interviews. You have to show it with pride. Keeping this in mind, please see that all of you concentrate on your studies, seeing that very less days are left. In my beginning, I said, I'm standing here today with sadness and happiness. I'm happy today because 344 of you, we, the institution Almeidas, we are sending 344 torch bearers in the society with a vision to run and create a better India tomorrow. Dear students, keep your school Almeida always in limelight. Strive hard to bring a smile on your parents' face, because your parents have done lot of sacrifice for you. Speak to your parents with respect. Never disrespect them. The pain you create today will remain with them. They will definitely forgive you. But words spoken cannot be forgotten. Please keep this in mind. Speak with your teachers with respect. Never disrespect them. Be grateful for all elders who have done little thing also for you. With this in mind, I want you to leave the institution with footprints of goodness. And to bring a smile on your teacher's face with good results, you all need to concentrate on your studies. In order to concentrate on your studies, you have to be focused. And in order to be focused, you have to wear horse blinders. I have to explain to you what are horse blinders. Dear students, when a horse is prepared for a race, the people put horse blinders so that on both the sides, you must have noticed it. These horse blinders are put so that the horse is not distracted what is happening from the sides. So only the horse will run the race with a straight vision. I want all of you to do that. Go forward with a focused mind, with a goal that you have set in life. And when you do this, you will bring a cheer on your own face. We have seen the performance of your preliminary examination. Many of the teachers were disappointed with the results. Many of you did not perform well. Some have scored 1, 1.5. But dear students, I'm sure all of you must have visited seashore. You must have watched the waves. The waves are inspiring, not because of their rise and fall, but every time they fall, they don't fail to rise. So please see that even if you have not performed well in your preliminary examination, there is still time to work hard and perform well. Dear students, I want all of you to take a message home today from me. Whenever you get up in the morning, every morning, I want you to utter 3 sentences before you are out of bed. Please keep that in mind and do it for my sake. The first sentence: Dear God, I thank you for giving me a new day. First sentence. Second sentence: Dear God, put good thoughts in my mind for today, according to your wisdom. Third sentence: Dear God, make me perform acts today according to thy will. And at the end of the day, that is when you go to bed, just one sentence: Dear God, I thank you for the good and bad experience that I encountered today. With this message, I end my talk by wishing you all the best for the forthcoming SSC examination.
Dear students, please remember, your positive actions combined with positive thinking results in success. Wishing you all best of luck. Now, we would like to conclude our assembly program by singing the national anthem.
Janamana